Legend has it the most famous food in Thailand is pad thai. Guess what? It's not true. It's pad ka-prao kai dao. Let's go. Right guys, so here the ingredients are. We've got 3 chicken thighs. We've got 3 birdseye chilies. We've just got a normal mild chili from the supermarket just for a bit of colour. We've got 10 cloves of garlic. We've got some green beans trimmed, and then the holy grail of the dish is some holy basil I managed to get from the Chinese supermarket. I'm just really glad they had it in. The chili and the garlic is the basis of this paste. I'm going to need a couple of eggs for the deep fry in the kai dao. So sauce is going to be about a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. My favourite's a mushroom one, so I use that. And then we're going to put a bit of seasoning sauce in as well, which is a Golden Mountain. And then we're going to need some vegetable oil as well to cook it all in. So with that guys, that's all the ingredients you need. It's the most popular dish in Thailand is this, and when I had it over there I just fell in love with it. So let's get on with it. Chicken thighs with this recipe guys, because it seems to hold its juiciness better. You can use chicken breast, it's completely fine, but this is just what I like to use. So to make it authentic, what we're going to do is we're going to mince it up really fine like ground chicken, because if you get any street food in Thailand, this dish, that's how it's served, ground chicken. So let's get it done. Guys, we're just going to get our veg and chilies and stuff ready. So I've always had this with trimmed beans in Thailand, so I like to just cut them into, I don't know, about 15 mil long, 1/2 inch, 1/4 of an inch, something like that, what you want. So also what we're going to do is make our prit nam blah as well while we're at it. So what I do is, to make this paste, we get 3 chilies, birdseye chilies, break them up, bob them in. Yeah, and then we want to give that a good pounding. And then we get this fairly mashed up. There. And we get this really tasty. Yeah, that's good. So that's all nice and mashed up. We want to, I'm just going to cut my garlic up a bit and get that in. I mean, this is birdseye chilies are pretty spicy, so you've got to be able to handle it if you like this dish. So let's give that a nice Then we're just going to slice some chilli. This is mainly for decoration, that can go in there. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to make some spicy fish sauce, or I think it's called prick dam blah, which is obviously served a lot in Thailand when you order this dish. So you just get some chilies and get some fish sauce poured in there. Let that soak while you cook the rest. Right guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to deep fry our egg. We're going to put it on a bit of kitchen roll afterwards and then get it in some tin foil to keep it warm while we make the rest of it. Right, needs to be a crispy egg. So it needs to be crispy on the edges. Looks violent, and it is. What I tend to do when I'm cooking this is do not splash the oil until the edges start to go brown. Then that way you keep a runny egg. And I like the middle to be running when I make this dish. So keep on waiting. And also what you'll realise, if you try and move it too soon, the egg will seep out at the bottom. So wait, you've got to be patient. So just keep on waiting. And then what we'll do is towards the end, and then we flick the oil on top to cook the egg on top. See how it's going nice and crispy now on the outside. Keep it going. This is not bad actually, it's on an electric cooker as well, so not doing too bad. Right, there we go. So what I like to do now, get that on top. And then put that under there. And then we get it straight onto a piece of kitchen roll and then into tin foil to keep warm. Right guys, so get this vegetable oil into the wok, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to fry. We're going to get that oil heated up with that paste that we made. Add the garlic, birdseye chilli, and just like a bullet, standard bullet chilli from. Now, you know this spicy when it's going to make it really want to cough now. Wow. Whoa. wow, really wow. That is certainly spicy. I'm just going to let that cook for a minute. Jeez. I tell you, that is going to make you want to cough when you cook this bad boy. Right, so we're going to let that just flavour for a minute. That really is giving out all the flavour and aromas. Right, we're in with this chicken. Some people do put onions in for this recipe, but I prefer it with just green beans. So I'm going to let this chicken cook. I'm going to add my green beans a bit earlier because I like them cooked quite well. My green beans in now because I like them cooked quite well. Gonna add our sauce mixture in now, guys. Give it a good stir. So let's add the basil now. Stir it in just so it starts to wilt, and then we're going to serve this. We don't want to cook this too much. Holy Basil, I have got a hack for you if you live in the UK, where you can get to enjoy the good taste of this ka-prao kind of anywhere. Right, that's it, that'll do. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please keep an eye out for my future videos, including the hack when you don't need all the ingredients I just listed. See ya!